For many people, traveling and exploring the great outdoors is a way of life. But just because you're camping doesn't mean you have to sacrifice all the comforts of home. With the help of a campervan or Class B motorhome with a bathroom, you can experience the joys of camping while still enjoying the luxury of a hot shower. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the 5 best campervans and Class B motorhomes with bathrooms. So buckle up and get ready to embark on your next adventure with confidence. Let's begin with the Storyteller Overland Beast Mode, the epitome of luxury travel on the road. This impressive van is built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, featuring a powerful 3-liter turbo diesel V6 engine that delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Step inside the Storyteller Overland Beast Mode and you'll be transported to a world of comfort and style. The work surface offers a spacious and versatile area to rest or work, while the 2-seater convertible sofa bed provides a stylish seating option that can easily be converted into a bed. And it boasts a fully equipped bathroom that features a halo interior shower system and a portable toilet. That said, you don't need to stop frequently on the journey anymore. Have we missed anything? Oh, the galley is fully equipped with all the amenities you need to cook seamlessly, including a stainless steel sink, dual voltage freezer, and stainless steel microwave. This is the Trakka Akuna A2M, an ideal campervan for adventurous couples who want to explore the great outdoors in style and comfort. Based on the Volkswagen Crafter mid-wheel base, this van motorhome is equipped with a 2-liter, 130-kilowatt turbo diesel engine that delivers 410 Newton-meters of torque and an 8-speed automatic transmission for a smooth and powerful ride. The versatility of the Akuna A2M motorhome is truly impressive, with its north-south long single beds that easily convert into a huge double bed. This area can be used not only for sleeping, but also for dining, day lounging, and meal preparation. The smart and space-saving design of the Akuna A2M ensures that you'll have everything you need at your fingertips without feeling cramped or crowded. Besides, the bathroom is also quite impressive with a compact yet functional design that includes a toilet, shower, and sink. Lastly, the clever use of space ensures that you'll have everything you need for personal hygiene. All in all, this is a good option to choose if you are looking for all the amenities. Okay, now let's have a look at the Van by Beachside Custom Vans, which comes with stunning features. The van is equipped with a 6-inch memory foam full-size bed, ensuring that you'll get a good night's sleep no matter where your travels take you. Moreover, dual LED light strips on dimmers and a reading light with USB provide ample lighting options to create the perfect ambiance for your comfort and relaxation. The kitchen is also improved with top-of-the-line appliances, including a stainless steel faucet, a Dometic CRX65 fridge, and a 2-burner induction stovetop. Not to mention, there is a pop-up countertop that provides ample space for meal preparation and dining, while the sleek and modern design of the kitchen complements the rest of the van's luxurious features. And the bathroom is also exceptionally well. It features waterproof Dumawall plastic tile, a Delta shower head, and a Thetford 365 cassette toilet. Oh, and by the way, there are 2 large tanks for fresh and gray water use. Overall, the Van by Beachside custom vans is a true combination of luxury and next-level comfort. Now, meet the South Coast Van Fitouts SWLB high-roof Mercedes Sprinter, which is incredible inside and out. This camper van features a slide-out extension at the back, which you can pull and use for relaxing. Below it, you will find big storage space to keep your essentials conveniently. On the other hand, you will also find a hot water shower so you can get refreshed after a day-long journey. Okay, now let's see the interior. It has got a lounge with a leather texture that gives it the next level of aesthetics. And they can be folded to the side to bring the large bed down. So basically, you can use any of them according to your requirements. But that's not all. The camper van also integrates a herringbone flooring that matches the overall color of the vehicle, including a walnut window. Other features include a 130-liter Bushman fridge, stove, and so on. And in the bathroom, everything comes included you need, like a shower and a toilet. In summary, it's a good choice for those who prioritize aesthetics and build quality. The Airstream Interstate 19 is a luxury Class B motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 van chassis. It comes equipped with more than 50 best-in-class features, ensuring top-notch safety, performance, interior design, comfort, and efficiency on every road trip. One of the unique features of the Interstate 19 is its spacious and versatile bathroom. The European-style wet bath includes a sink, shower, and toilet, as well as a built-in shampoo, conditioner, body wash station, and clothesline. Every inch of the space is designed to get wet with smart and efficient functions like a shower head that doubles as a faucet, an extending and swiveling mirror, and a waterproof toilet paper cover. Plus, it also boasts best-in-class power and charging features with 2 100-ampere-hour deep-cycle lithium batteries and enhanced power system components. This allows for longer trips and more confidence in the availability of premium power. Finally, Interstate 19 offers the largest bed in its class, with a power sofa and side seats that convert into a sleeping space. Okay, that was our second video on the 5 best camper vans and Class B motorhomes with bathrooms. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share.